Hey everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in this video, you will be learning how you can send automated emails for different product sales from your Shopify store. So guys, if you have multiple kind of products in your Shopify store like physical products and digital products, and if you want to send different kind of emails to your customer as and when they purchase your products, this automation is for you. Here I'm going to show how you can send those automated emails. So you can see my screen now. Here you can see this is the flow of this automation. As and when you are going to receive a new order for any product, according to the order and according to the product, an email will be delivered to the customer. Let's say if the customer purchases a digital product, so in this email we are going to send that digital product. For example, any ebook, okay? And if customer purchases a physical product, then we are going to send a confirmation email and tell the customer that your product will be delivered on such and such date, okay? So, and this is going to happen automatically, so you don't have to manually see the orders, you don't have to manually see who is purchasing which kind of product, and you don't have to manually compile and send these kind of messages and emails. So guys, it will surely save a huge amount of your time and your manual efforts. And to make this happen, we are using Pabbly Connect, which is an integration and automation tool. And the best part is anyone can set up this automation. So to set up this automation, guys, you need to reach the dashboard of Pabbly Connect application first. And to reach here, you can use this link pabbly.com/connect. From here, you can set up your free Pabbly Connect account in just 2 minutes by clicking on the sign up free button, and you will get 100 free automation tasks for every new month. So sign up right now and then log in to reach here on the dashboard. And guys, here you have to create a workflow of automation. For that, just click on this create workflow button, and here you can give a proper name to this workflow. So I'm giving the name here as Shopify order emails to customers, okay? Right, so you can give any name according to you. After this, you have to click on this create button, and you can see your workflow page is loading up here. And here you can see this is your beautiful workflow page, and here you will find the trigger and the action. So these are the things which we are going to use to build this automation, guys. So the trigger is the event which is going to trigger or make this workflow know that it is time to run, and the action would be the response towards the trigger. All right, so in this use case, the trigger would be getting an order of any product on Shopify, and the action towards that trigger would be to send different kind of email according to the order that you have received. All right, so here guys, first of all, we need to set up the trigger. So from this choose app field, you have to choose Shopify application as your trigger application, okay? So after selecting Shopify, you have to select the trigger event, and the trigger event would be a new order, okay? So here you will find new order option. Okay, so as you select new order here in the trigger, it will show you this Webhook URL. Okay, so with the help of this Webhook URL, we are going to make a connection with our Shopify, and after that we are going to capture the response of that connection. Okay, so you can follow these instructions written here to make a connection with your Shopify store. And let's do this. Here you can see we need to reach the settings and the notifications window of Shopify admin panel. Okay, so let me show you. This is my Shopify applications dashboard where I have built a online store. And here you can see I have the settings option in the left hand side, bottom left hand side. Click on settings. And on this page, guys, when you scroll down, you will find this notifications tab. Click on it. And under notifications, when you scroll down, you will find Webhook section. Okay, so here is Webhook section. Here you have to click on this create Webhook button. Okay, and here you can see it is asking for the event. So from here you have to select that event on which you want to send the data from Shopify to our workflow. Okay, so here you can see we actually want to capture the data of new orders that we are getting from our store. So our event would be order creation. Here you will find this event like this, order creation, select it. Okay, and the data format would be JSON only. Here in the URL field, you have to paste this Webhook URL. Just copy it from here, and you have to paste it here in this URL field like this. Okay, and then select the API version as the latest one. Okay, then click on save, and you can see we have added a new webhook here successfully. Right, and here you can see as I have copied the webhook URL, here it started showing waiting for the webhook's response. So this means guys, now we have to perform a test submission. Test submission means we are going to open our store and we are going to make a test purchase of any product or demo purchase, and we are going to capture the data of that demo purchase here, and with the help of that data only we are going to set up this automation further. So guys, this is my Shopify store, and here you can see I have this product named as Java, and it is actually a ebook course. Okay, so here it is a digital product. Okay, so first of all I am making a purchase of this digital product only, so I am clicking on it, and here I am going to click on buy it now button. So this is the checkout page. Here I am going to fill in the details of any demo customer. So here I am putting demo email ID. Okay, and here I am going to fill in the details of a demo customer named as John Cena. Here is the address of this person. Okay, right, and here I am clicking on continue to payment. All right, and here you can see this is the checkout page or the payment page. So here I'm going to use the test card details. This is not an original card, and we are making a demo payment here. Okay, like this you can fill the test card details, and here I'm clicking on pay now, and you can see my order is getting processed. So you can see guys, here it is written, thank you John, your order is confirmed. Okay, now let's check in our workflow if we got the data of this order, and here you can see we got this data received in the response section guys, and here you can see we got the contact email of the customer, the amount, the currency details, the date and time of the creation of the order. All the things are here like this, and you will find the name of the product also in this data. Let me show you. So when you scroll down, you will find the customer details like this. We got the WhatsApp number also, we got the address, and here you will find the line item label in which you will get the data of the product. You can see in this line item label we got the name of the product as Java. Okay, so now guys, what I want to do now, I want to send an automated email for this purchase. But not only this purchase, this is a digital product, we also want to send an automated email for physical products as well, but both emails would be different for different kind of products. Okay, so with the help of this action step, I am going to create two paths for both kind of products, for digital products as well as for physical products. For that to happen, I'm going to use router feature of Pabbly, which will create two routes for two conditions for both kind of product sales. Okay, so here it is showing the two routes. So you can set up the first route by clicking on set filter and action step. So when you click here, it will show you this filter. So in this filter you can apply the condition, and the condition is that when you receive a digital product order, send this kind of email. Similarly, we are going to set up the second route. So here guys, it is asking to select the label. So here I am going to select the labels that we have received as the test data here in the first step. And you can see we have received this line item name label in which we have the name of the product. Okay, so I'm going to use this label here to apply this condition in the filter. So just click here on the select label option, and it will show you the Shopify new order option in the drop down. And when you click here, it will show you all the data that you have received from the first step. So from here only, when you scroll down, you will find the line item price, the line item name as well. So here you can see we have this line item name label. Just map it and then make the filter type equals to, and here put the name of the product. Okay, so I am putting the name of my digital product. Okay, so this means guys, I am saying to this workflow that when this line item is equal to Java, then send an email. Okay, right, so when you click here on save and send test request, it will show you the condition is true for now. Okay, and now I want to send an email for digital product. Okay, so click here on this plus icon, and from here choose Gmail application to send an email, and here in the action event select send email option, then click on connect, and from here select add new connection, then click on connect with Gmail. From here you have to select the Gmail account by which you want to send that email to your customers. Okay, then you have to provide some additional access to Pabbly Connect. Just click on continue from here, and you can see we are getting connected with Gmail. Okay, so we are now connected, and here it is asking for the recipient's email address, CC, BCC, sender's name, email subject, and all the things. So here in the recipient email address, I want to put the email address of my customer. So we have received the test data of our customer in the first step. So from first step only, you can see from here, I'm going to map the email label that we have received here. So you can see we got the customer details here like this. You can see this is the email label, map it. Okay. Right, so we do not want to put anyone in CC or BCC, so I'm leaving these things blank. Here you can put in the sender's name, you can put the name of the sender, or you can put the name of your product. I'm putting here Shopify store just to show you the demo. Okay, here you can put the subject like this: thank you for purchasing. Yeah, thank you for your order. That's it. Okay, and here in this content type you can select the content. I am making it plain, and in the email content you have to type the main content of the email that you want to send. And here you can see we have this file name and attachment field also. So guys, when a digital product is purchased from a website like a course or an ebook, I want to send that course here in the attachment. So guys, you can see here is ebook I have created just to show you the demo, and here I have uploaded this ebook on my WordPress website, and this is the link of this ebook. So I'm going to use this PDF link, and I'm going to attach this PDF file here in this workflow in the attachment. So in the attachment I am pasting the link of the file that I want to send, and here in the file name I am going to enter the name as Java ebook full course like this. Okay, right, and here let me type the email now. So guys, you can see I have typed the email like this, and here you can see after hello I want to address the person to whom I'm sending this email. So I have received the test data of my customer here from the first step. So from first step I'm going to map the name of the customer that we have received here. So when you scroll down you will find the name of your customer like this. Let me show you. Here is the customer's first name. You can map it like this. Okay, hello John. This is how it is going to look like. So when you map the labels like this, guys, the data is going to change with every new email. Okay, according to the data you are receiving from the trigger. Okay, and here you can see we have just received your payment for the. Here I am going to map the name of my product from the first step only. Okay, so you will get the product's name in the line item label, which you will find here like this. Okay, map it. Right, so this is how the email will look like. So the customer's name and the product's name will change automatically with every new email. Okay, now guys, here we have done filling all the details. Now if you want to check your connection with email, you can click on save and send test request, and a test email will be delivered to this email address. Where is it? Here is it. But this is not an original email, but I can show you how the email will be delivered by changing the email address. Let me type my own email address here just to show you the demo how the email is going to look like. Okay, so guys, here I have entered my email address, and here is my inbox, you can see. And let me click on save and send test request here, and let's see how the email will look like. And here you can see this is the email I have received from Shopify store. The subject is thank you for your order, and the message is this: hello John, we have just received your payment for the Java course. You can directly download the course material from the attachment. Thank you. And this is the email, this is the attachment we have received. Name, you can see file, the name of the file is Java ebook full course, And from here the person can download the file like this. Okay, and this was the same email I have typed here in my workflow like this, you can see. So this is how it is going to work, and you have to map the email ID. I have just entered it to show you the demo. Please remember to map the test data from here only. From the first step, map the email ID, remember it. Okay, now we are done. Just click on save here and our first route is complete. Similarly, you have to create a second route, and the difference will only be like this. You have to apply the filter now for the other products that you have. So the filter would be like this. You have to select the label. First of all, select this ID only, okay, and make the filter type is exist. And first of all, we are going to say to this workflow that the ID of the product should exist in our workflow. And the other condition is just click on this AND condition button, just this plus icon, and we are going to add the AND logic condition again. And here guys, let's say we have only one digital product. So now I am going to choose the line item label again from here, which you will find here in the first step. So map the line item label in which we got the name of the product. Here it is, I think. Here is the line item title, and now make the filter type does not equals to. Now for all other digital products, the name of the product should not be equal to the Java. Okay, so put the name of the digital product here. So this condition would be for all other products. Okay, now click on save and send test request. You can see it is now showing the condition is false because we have purchased the digital product only. But in real time, whenever someone is purchasing any other physical product, this condition will be true. And when this condition matches true, we want to send a different email. For sending the email, just click here on this plus icon, and here guys, and in that email for the physical products, we want to send the delivery date also. Okay, so to fetch the delivery date, let's say you typically delivers your product 3 days after the date of purchase. So for that, we are going to fetch the delivery date. For fetching the delivery date, we are going to use a feature of Pabbly Connect here, which is called date time formatter. Search for date time formatter. Here it is. Okay. And in the action event, I'm going to use modify current date option. So with the help of modify current date, we are going to modify the current date or the date on which we are receiving the orders. And then we are going to add 3 or 4 days more to this date, and that will act as the delivery date for us. Okay. So now click on connect, and here you can select the format of the date. So I'm using the normal format that we generally use, which is this DDMMYY. Okay. My time zone is Asia Kolkata. You have to select yours. Here the operation would be addition. I want to add days, so I'm selecting days in the units, and the value would be I want to deliver 3 days after, so I'm putting the value here 3. So I am adding 3 days more to the current date or the date on which we have received the order, and that will be our delivery date. Okay, so click on save and send test request, and in the date time label in the result, we got the delivery date. Okay, now I want to send a confirmation email. For that, click here on this plus icon, and from this action window, select Gmail application again, and in the action event, select send email. Okay, then click on connect, and from this window you can use the already existing connection with Gmail, or you can make a new connection. I'm going to use existing connection, guys, as I have already connected with Gmail. So I'm just select this existing connection option, and now I just have to click on save, and I'll be connected again. Right, and here it is asking for the recipient's email address. So follow the same process. From the first step, map the email label of the test customer. Leave the CC or BCC blank. In the sender's name, I'm entering Shopify store. You can enter the name of your store or the person who is sending those emails. Okay, like this. In the email subject, I'm putting thank you for your order. So you can customize these things according to you. and here I am selecting the content type as plain, and in the email section let me type the email now. So this is the email I have typed, guys. The order is confirmed, hello, and here I am going to map the name of the test person that I have got from the first step, and here you will find the name of the test customer. So when you map the labels are going to change in real time whenever you receive a new order or a original order. So that's why we map labels here. Okay, and thank you for shopping with us. Your order for is confirmed. So here I'm going to map the line item label in which we got the item name or the product name. Okay, so this product label is going to change with every new product. Okay, so here we have the line item name label, which is this, map it. Okay, and we will deliver your package by, here I'm going to put the delivery date which I have received from the previous step where we have modified the current date. This will act as the delivery date. Okay, right, so this is how the email is going to be delivered for the customer who is purchasing the products which are not digital products. Okay, so here we are not attaching any kind of file, we are just sending the confirmation email to our customer. Okay, now you can save this step and we are done setting up this automation. And guys, you have to set up this automation only once. After that, as and when you are going to receive any order according to the product got purchased, the emails will be delivered like this automatically to your customers. And guys, you have to set up this automation only once. After that, it will run automatically. And you can use the same workflow that I have created, because I'm going to paste the link of this same workflow in the description so that you can clone it in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation instantly. Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.